Welcome back. So in the last class we saw few specifications regarding roads and houses of the cities of Indus Valley. Today we'll be dealing with the remaining few aspects. Sanitation was one of the most important aspect, or rather one of the most important part of the daily life of the people of Indus Valley. आजकल हम लोग सैनिटेशन के ऊपर कुछ ज़्यादा जागरूक हो गए हैं and everybody of you must be able to hear the song right in the morning itself. गाड़ी वाला आया घर से कचरा निकाल. ये समझने में बहुत टाइम लगा, लेकिन इंडस वैली के लोग इस मामले में बहुत ज़्यादा जागरूक थे and they paid a lot of attention towards the sanitation. So when we are talking about sanitation, the most important aspect of sanitation in a city life is drains. So in case of Indus Valley, all the houses, they were connected to the main drain. एक बहुत बड़े नाले से सभी घर कनेक्टेड होते थे and that drain used to run below the main road. As you can see from the diagram itself, this is the main drain and all the houses, they are connected to the main drain by a smaller drain. So all these drains, all these houses, they are connected to the main drain through this smaller drain, and this large drain, it used to move out of the city walls after collecting all the wastewater from the city. Now, it is said that in India, still there are places which are not open defecation free. But surprisingly, in case of Indus Valley, there was no sign of open defecation. There were toilets in every house. So and every house contained a toilet. So there was a toilet in every house. ये कल्चर इंडिया में बहुत कम हो गया है अब. Earlier, every house in Indus Valley, it had a separate well. So you can, I will just draw a rough diagram. Every house of the Indus Valley, more or less, it was like this. There was a small can say, there was a toilet, a place to keep animals and their fodder. Then they had 2 bedrooms. They had a kitchen. They had a well in their courtyard, and they had a small courtyard itself. So more or less, uh, sorry you might get confused, but more or less, a typical Indus Valley dwelling was like this. Okay, so this is it. They paid a lot of attention on cleaning, and drains were covered by burnt bricks or stone slabs. Unlike unlike the drains of few modern cities, the drains of Indus Valley, they were not left uncovered. They were covered. They were covered by massive stone slabs or burnt bricks. Which brings me to one important fact. I had told you right in the beginning of starting of this session that I'll be comparing few points with the contemporary civilizations of Indus Valley, Mesopotamian civilization and Egyptian civilization. मिस्र और मेसोपोटामिया की सभ्यता से भी मैं कुछ पॉइंट्स कंपेयर करूंगा इंडस वैली सिंधु घाटी सभ्यता के संदर्भ में. सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट बात यह है, ये एक टर्म जो आप देख रहे हैं, बर्न्ड ब्रिक्स. बर्न्ड ब्रिक्स का मतलब आप क्या समझते हैं? ईंट की भट्टियां जो आज की डेट में लगती हैं, पकी हुई ईंटें, आग में पकी हुई ईंटें जो हम लोग आज के डेट में यूज करते हैं घर बनाने के लिए. इंडस वैली में वही ईंटें यूज होती थी शहर की बाहरी दीवार बनाने के लिए भी और घर बनाने के लिए भी. बाहरी दीवार के लिए फॉर आउटर वॉल, एज आई टोल्ड यू, डायमेंशन 1:2:3 हर जगह होता था, लेकिन वो बड़े स्केल पे होता था. और घर में जो ईंटें यूज होती थी घर बनाने के लिए वो छोटे स्केल पे, लेकिन डायमेंशन उसका भी 1:2:3 ही होता था. सो मेसोपोटामिया और इजिप्शियन सिविलाइजेशन में ड्राइड ब्रिक्स यूज होती थी. ड्राइड ब्रिक्स ये कहां पे? मेसोपोटामिया और इजिप्शियन सिविलाइजेशन में ड्राइड ब्रिक्स यूज होती थी. ऑन द कॉन्ट्ररी, बर्न्ड ब्रिक्स इंडस वैली सिविलाइजेशन में होती थी. On this basis, we can say that Indus Valley civilization was much advanced as compared to its contemporary civilizations. Okay, so and concept of public toilet was also there. The best example of that place of this thing is Lothal.
public toilet. So this is all about sanitation. If you have any questions, you can ask me in the comment section of this video. Please do give me your feedback. Thank you.